Hi friends, welcome to my channel Vishwajit Almighty English. Today we will discuss 10 questions and their right answers on T.S. Eliot. Let's start. T.S. Eliot 1888 to 1965. 1. Question number 1. T.S. Eliot dedicated his The Wasteland to dash. To whom T.S. Eliot dedicated his Wasteland? The poem, famous poem, The Wasteland. The right answer is to Ezra Pound. Ezra Pound. T.S. Eliot dedicated his poem, The Wasteland, to Ezra Pound. To whom did T.S. Eliot dedicate his Prufrock and other observations? Next question. The answer is T.S. Eliot dedicated his Prufrock and other observations to Jean Vardinal. Jean Vardinal. Next question. The Wasteland is divided into how many parts? Into how many parts is the Wasteland divided? The right answer is the Wasteland is divided into 5 parts. 5 parts. The 5 parts are the 5 famous poems. Next question. Verse form of the Wasteland. What is the verse form of Wasteland? The Wasteland. The right answer is the verse form of Wasteland is free verse, or the poem The Wasteland is written in free verse. Free verse. Next question. Last line of the Wasteland. The last line is very famous. The last line of the Wasteland is very famous, and the last line is Datto Dayadbham Damayato Santi Santi Santi. I am writing the line. D-A-T-T-A D-A-Y-A-D-H-A-V-A-N D-A-M-A-Y-A-T-A Damayato Santi Santi Santi. It is the last line of the Wasteland, or the ending line of the Wasteland. Datto Dayadham Damayato Santi Santi Santi. Next question. The sacred wood is dash, or what is the sacred wood? The right answer is the sacred wood is a collection of critical articles. T.S. Eliot's. A collection of critical articles written by T.S. Eliot. Articles. Next question. What is the cocktail party? Or the cocktail party is dash. The right answer is the cocktail party written by T.S. Eliot is a drama. A drama. Next question. Sweet Thames, run softly till I end my song. T.S. Eliot's line, Sweet Thames, run softly till I end my song, is quoted from dash. From where or from whom is this line quoted by T.S. Eliot? The right answer is T.S. Eliot's line, Sweet Thames, run softly till I end my song, is quoted from Spencer. Is quoted from Spencer. Next question. The phrase dissociation of sensibility was used by T.S. Eliot in dash. Where did T.S. Eliot use the phrase dissociation of sensibility? The right answer is T.S. Eliot used the phrase dissociation of sensibility in the Metaphysical Poets. Last question. Objective correlative. What is objective correlative? Or where did T.S. Eliot use the term objective correlative? The right answer is T.S. Eliot used the term objective correlative in Hamlet and his problems. These are the 10 questions and their right answers. Now I have to repeat the questions and answers. T.S. Eliot, 1888 to 1965. Question number 1. T.S. Eliot dedicated his The Wasteland to Ezra Pound. 2. T.S. Eliot dedicated his Prufrock and other observation to J.M. Hardenell. 3. The Wasteland is divided into 5 parts. 4. Verse form of the Wasteland is free verse. 5. The last line of the Wasteland is Datta Dayadbham Damayato Santi Santi. 6. The sacred wood is a collection of critical articles. 7. The cocktail party is a drama. 8. Sweet themes run softly till I end my song is quoted from Spencer. 9. Dissociation of sensibility is used in the Metaphysical Poets. 10. Objective correlative. The term objective correlative is used in Hamlet and his problems. Now friends, if you are satisfied with this discussion, you have to subscribe my channel Biswajit Almighty English, and you have to comment, like and share a lot. Thank you.